Alright, here we have 3 older Yorks right here. And that is a scroll compressor. It looks like a straight cool unit. Yep, Copeland scroll compressors. And here's a little York like mine. It's obviously newer than mine, but alright, let's get the... No, the data's faded on that. I'm not gonna bother with it. Same with that other one. And then on this one, it's a... I think a 3-ton from 2008. Wait, 2008? I think. That's a newer one. Bristol compressor. So, yeah. And then there's some more over there. Ooh, and there's a newer one down there too. I'll go look at it. Copeland scroll. Yep, there we go. Okay, I'll have to use the York decoder. That's a 5-ton. And the data on the other one is legible, but I'm not going to go to it. Those have flat fan grills. Interesting. And then there's a York LX series, which just, yeah, it has micro channel. Never mind. I don't know. York looks just like mine. Except it has 3 blades. I think that's a Bristol. Oh, look like... interesting. It had a York logo on it at one time. York LX series. It's a 5-ton from 2010. So, and then a couple more of these. So anyways, we'll get the data on one of these. I'm not sure how many tons that is. So, anyways, I guess over and out.